Good day everyone, my name is Manager Karen Bautista, BSIT 4B. In this video tutorial for activity number 1, I'm gonna show you how to install VMware. Here are the steps on how to install the VMware Workstation 17 Pro for Windows. For the number 1, open your browser and head over to Google and search for VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Then just click the download VMware Workstation Pro. Scroll up lang. So download the link for VMware website and wait for it to finish downloading. So click download now. And then ayan, magda-download na siya dyan. So medyo matagal lang yung pagda-download dyan, lalo na kung mahina yung internet mo. So while waiting, let me discuss a quick background for VMware. So what is VMware? VMware is a software company well known in the field of system virtualization and cloud computing. It allows users to create multiple virtual environments or virtual computer systems on a single computer or server. Also, we have VMware Workstation Pro. It is a hosted hypervisor that runs on 64 versions of Windows and Linux operating system. It enables users to set up virtual machines on a single physical machine and use them simultaneously along with the host machine. So let me also discuss the pros and cons of VMware. So for the pros, cost-effective software, entire test environment is low budget, adding and deleting new virtual machine is easy, fast rollback feature, multiple OS allowed. For the cons, need handling skills, not best for complete physical product testing, low of reliability, and low performance. And it's done. So for the third step, once natapos na i-download, open lang natin yung file and pwede na natin i-set up yung VMware. Dito punta lang tayong file and then click lang natin yung download. Then open natin yung VMware na dinownload natin kanina. Click lang natin. Then wait natin mag-open. Ayun na. Ayan na. So, click lang natin yung next. And then, para dito naman, terms and condition, check lang natin yung I accept. And then, click natin yung next. So, dito, next lang natin yan. And then, dito naman, i-uncheck lang natin tong dalawa na to. So, uncheck natin yan. And ito. Then, click lang natin yung next. So, dito wala na tayong papaguhin. So, click lang din natin yung next. Dito, install na natin. So, wait lang natin siya. Yan, malapit na. Wait lang natin. And, ayun. Okay na. And then, click lang natin yung finish. Tapos, punta tayo doon sa shortcut natin for VMware. And then, dito naman, we don't have license. So, click lang natin yung I want to try VMware Workstation for 30 days. And, click lang natin yung continue. Then, click finish. So, ayan na. Okay na siya. Pwede na tayo mag-create ng new virtual machine. So, that's it. That's all for this activity 1. Thank you for watching and God bless.